Hi everybody, welcome back to class. We are on class number 49 today. So today we are going to review, but before we do that, I want to ask you how you're doing with your recital pieces. At this point, you should know all your notes, all your rhythm, all your articulation, practicing it very slowly. And some of you probably have it all hands together. Those of you who don't, that's your goal, is to get your piece hands together and bring it to your lesson every week, and your teacher will work with you on it, and you'll be ready for the recital at the end of the semester. So keep working on that recital piece as well as your unit. So let's talk about the unit. Today, again, we're just reviewing, but you had some pretty tricky musical concepts last week, so we're gonna go over those right now. So what I'd like you to do is open up your activity book. So the book that looks like this, and I want you to open up to page 36. All right, we're going to look at the top of the page because we spent a lot of time on this last lesson. We were learning compound meters. This is where the number on the bottom changed. We no longer have 4 on the bottom, meaning that the quarter note gets 1 beat. So now when we have the 8 on the bottom, the 8th note gets 1 beat. So in this time signature, we would have 3 beats in every measure, and the 8th note gets 1 beat. 6 beats in every measure, and the 8th note gets 1 beat. 9 beats in every measure, and the 8th note gets 1 beat. 12 beats in every measure, and the 8th note gets 1 beat. So the top number shows you the number of 8th notes in each measure, or how many beats are in each measure, and the bottom number shows you that the 8th note gets 1 beat. So if the 8th note gets 1 beat, how many 8th notes would be in a dotted quarter note? So think about this. This is a lot of math. 1 8th note, 2 8th notes would equal a quarter note. 3 8th notes equal a dotted quarter note. So we're going to take a look down a little bit farther on the page, and we're going to take a look at this first example in 6/8 time. And we're going to count every single beat. So there's 6 beats in every measure, and the 8th note gets 1 beat. So I want you to get your pointer finger out, and I want you to point to this and count every beat. So we're going to count up to 6. So I'll give you a measure rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see, these are the 8th notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're counting through it, but you're only playing the dotted quarter. So let's go through it again and say all 6 beats, but let's do it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I want you to do the same tempo, but I want you to look across the page. And this time we're only going to count the first of every dotted quarter. So we'll count 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? But I want your finger moving along those 8th notes. All right, so let's count that way. 1, ready, and go. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's 1, 2. Okay, let's do that one more time. Ready, count. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? So now let's go down and we'll do some more with this, just in case. It's a tricky concept. So it says, in compound meter in this book, feel and count the pulse as a dotted quarter, meaning don't count every single 8th note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but count 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Now let's look down at Lost, and let's just read through Lost a little slowly so you get the words, because we're going to start to say these words fast. So let's say together Lost. So we'll start with I'll look up here. So 1, ready, go. I'll look up here. You look down there. It has to be here, but I don't know where. Look under there. What can you see? Just keep on looking. Oh, where can it be? Good, let's go back. Let's do it now a little faster now that you know the words. So let's try. I'll look up here, ready, go. I'll look up here, you look down there. It has to be here, but I don't know where. Look under there. What can you see? Just keep on looking. Oh, where can it be? Now I want you to emphasize the first of every 3/8 notes. So emphasize, I'll look up here. You look down there. It has to be here, but I don't know where. Look under there. What can you see? Just keep on looking. Oh, where can it be? Okay? You can go ahead and put a line under those. So put a line under I'll, and then here, and then you, and there, and it. Okay, you can do that on your own, but for now, think about where those are, and let's really emphasize those words that have a line under it. So if you don't have a pencil and you haven't lined it, you could just follow along with the video. So you're going to go, I'll look up here. Okay, so emphasize those underlined words. Okay, so speak really clearly. 1, ready, go. I'll look up here. You look down there. It has to be here, but I don't know where. Look under there. What can you see? Just keep on looking. Oh, where can it be? So how many strong pulses did I have in every measure? I'll look up here. You look down there. It has to be here, but I don't know where. 2 strong pulses. So in 6/8 time, we have 2 strong pulses. Okay, so now let's take a look at, it says, say the rhyme again, drawing the lines under. So I want you to do that for your homework. Draw a line under the first of every dotted quarter note group. All right, so that is a review for your compound rhythms. If you have 2 strong pulses in 6/8 time, how many strong pulses are you going to have in 9/8 time? If you have 2 strong pulses in 6/8 time, you have 2 sets of 3. If you have in 9/8 time, how many sets of 3 are you going to have? Do your math, and you come up with 3 sets of 3. So you would count 3 strong pulses. 1, 2, 3. How many sets of 3 do you have in 12/8 time? So do the math, group your 3s, and you come up with 4. So you've got 4 strong pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many strong pulses do you have in 3/8 time? How many sets of 3? 1. Okay, so we'll do some more with that at the end of the lesson with some rhythmic drills. Let's do our note game. So we are going to get our flashcards out and we're going to review our high notes first. All right, so I'm going to put a note in front of you, give you a few seconds to look at it, and then you say and play the note. So 1, 2. Did you all get a B? And 1, 2. That was a C. Okay. Say and play the note when you see it. 1, 2. Low F, right? All right. Easy one. 1, 2. High G. So you should be able to keep up with my counting. Take a look at it. Think of your closest landmark. Look at the interval. 1, 2. B. One, 2. D. 1, 2. Are you keeping up with me? Look at the closest landmark, look at your interval, and 1, 2. D. 1, 2. C. Okay, so those are your new high notes. All right, let's go back to our activity book. And I want you to look at page 37, sorry. Page 37, we're gonna do some of these compound rhythm drills, top of the page. So let's point and count to the first one. Everybody get your pointer finger out, and we are going to count one time through, counting all 6 beats. Okay, count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now accent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're in 6/8 beat, 6/8 times. So how many big pulses are we going to get? We're going to divide our 6 into 2 groups of 3. So we'll have 1, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and point that way. Ready, point, and count. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, and repeat. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now put your hands on your lap. Right hand is going to tap on the lap when the notes are written above the line. Left hand's going to tap on the lap when the notes are written below the line. So get ready with your right hand, and let's tap and count thinking 1, 2, okay? So ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Left hand. 1, 2. 1, 2. Repeat. And 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right, good. Let's do the next one. Let's count all 9 beats this time. Let's clap and count this one. I'm going to point, you clap. So I want to hear your clapping. Okay, so count out loud. We're going to say all 9 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? All right, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, repeat. 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a mouthful, right? Let's not count up to 9 anymore. Let's count up to what? How many groups of 3 do we have? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3. All right, let's clap and count that. We'll just do it one time through. We won't take the repeat. So 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now put your hands on your lap. Your left hand will tap this one because they're under the line. The right hand will tap the end, and we will take the repeat, and we're going to count in the 3 big pulses. Starting with the left hand. I'm going to point, you tap on your lap, and count out loud. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good, and then there's 1 and 12/8 that you can do on your own. So how many big groups are there? Instead of counting up to 12, we're going to count up to 4. There are 4 groups of 3. Okay, so now let's play some in compound rhythm. Let's clap and count number 1. We can count all 6 beats because we're sight reading. So we'll think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, ready? Point and count. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, not very long, right? Okay, so put your right hand thumb on treble G. And your first interval is a, what interval? 4th. So you're going to go from G up to C, back down to G, and up seconds. Let's try it. Counting out loud, and we'll count all 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try that again. Maybe a little slower. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, up a 4th, back, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good, and let's take a look at number 3. Okay, we're just going to go down to number 3. Look at your key signature. What do you have there? An F sharp. 9/8 time. So let's point and count, and we are going to count all 9 beats. Okay, point and count. Count out loud. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's play it. 4th finger in the right hand is on a landmark, high G. Okay, and don't forget about your F sharp when it comes. So what finger should be over F sharp right now? 3rd finger. Okay, your first interval is a fourth, and then you've got seconds. Nice and slow. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Let's just do one in the left hand. Let's try number 2. It's a short one. All right, let's point and count. Get that pointer finger out, and it's in 6/8 time, so we'll count up to 6. Okay, ready and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's find that thumb in the left hand on G. I'm sorry, C. Thumb on C. All right, nice and slow. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since that one was so short, we'll do it one more time. Seconds down, seconds up. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So work on those sight reading examples. Work on those rhythmic drills so that you really understand and feel those compound meters. All right, let's turn to Unit 6. Let's do Beautiful Dreamer together because you've had this for a week, so we should all be able to play this together. So it's such a nice piece too. So get your right hand ready, and you notice it's in the key of C, so that's good. And then your left hand, so you've got your 5th finger on C in your right hand, and your left hand is on the D above middle C, and don't forget your C sharp in the left hand. Lots of moves, so be prepared. You've got a first ending and a second ending and a DC al fine, which means after you've gone, you play through to here, you repeat. Second time through, you go to the second ending. Then you go to here, you get to the DC al fine, which is short for da capo al fine, which means to go back to the beginning and play to the fine, which is here on the second ending. Okay, so after you've gone through the da capo al fine, when you repeat, you go back to the beginning, take the second ending that time. Okay, I'm sure your teacher went over that with you. So let's go ahead and take a look at Beautiful Dreamer. We're going to take the first and second ending, and then we'll do the da capo al fine and take the second ending. All right, ready? We'll take a slow 9. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and begin. 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, back to the beginning and 6, 7, 8, 9. And go to the second ending. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rest. 8, 9. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and left hand F sharp. Go back to the beginning, 2, 3, and ready, go. Six, 7, 8, 9. And take the second ending and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that was a lot, right? You went to the first ending, repeated. Second time through, you skip the first ending, go to the second ending, finish up that to here, but then you see da capo al fine, which means to go back to the beginning and play to the fine, which is the second ending. So that time through, you skip that first ending, you go right to the second ending. And that was slow. So what I'd like you to do is try to get it faster so it sounds. So you have how many big swings in 9/8 time? 3 big swings. So then you can feel 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can practice it that way with counting 3 and not all 9. All right, so that was a lot. Compound meter is really tricky. And if you continue to just think about those drills in your activity book, you can do the rhythm drills, the sight reading drills. You can, when you sight read, you can think of every single eighth note because you have to do it slowly. But like in Beautiful Dreamer, you want it to go a little faster. You want to think of the groups of 3. So you want to think of 1, da, da, 2, da, da, 3, da, da. Okay? So practice your recital piece, practice this difficult unit, and I will see you next week.